phone repair.
修手机。
Hi there. My phone won't turn on after a drop yesterday. Could you assist me?
Certainly. Could you briefly describe what happened when it stopped working?
I dropped it face down, and now it's completely unresponsive.
Let me run a thorough diagnostic to assess any internal damage.
Appreciate it. Is this something that can be handled on site?
If the issue is limited to the display or battery, we can fix it today.
Do you offer OEM parts or only third-party replacements?
We stock both, and I'll explain the pros and cons of each.
Great. Could you provide a breakdown of the pricing options?
Certainly. OEM parts are $160, third-party ones are $100.
Is there any functional difference between them?
Functionally, they're similar, but OEM offers better durability and clarity.
How long does the repair usually take, assuming no major issues?
Roughly 2 to 3 hours, depending on part availability.
Will I need to leave the phone overnight for further diagnostics?
Only if we uncover deeper hardware faults. Otherwise, same-day return.
What's your warranty policy after the repair is completed?
We provide a 90-day warranty for parts and workmanship.
Will any personal data be lost during the repair process?
Not typically, but we always advise a full backup beforehand.
Could you help me back up the data before you begin repairs?
Sure, we can assist you with that using your cloud account.
Is it possible to evaluate whether the repair is financially worthwhile?
Yes, after the inspection, we'll give you an honest cost-benefit analysis.
Do you think I'd be better off buying a new phone instead?
If the motherboard's damaged, a replacement may be more cost-effective.
What forms of payment do you accept?
We accept credit cards, mobile payments, and digital wallets.
Could I get an itemized invoice with warranty details?
Absolutely. It will include parts used, labor, and warranty terms.
In case the phone malfunctions again, how should I proceed?
Bring it in within 90 days, and we'll repair it at no extra cost.
Do you offer appointment-based service or walk-ins only?
Both are welcome, but appointments get priority service.
Will someone contact me when the repair is finished?
Yes, we'll send you a text and an email once it's ready.
Can I track the repair status online?
Yes, use the order number we provide to track it via our website.
Do you also handle software-related issues like freezing or crashing?
Yes, we provide both hardware and software troubleshooting.
Do you sell accessories like cases and screen protectors?
Yes, we carry a wide range of accessories for most phone models.
Is it possible to have my phone disinfected as well?
Yes, we offer complimentary device sanitization.
Do you offer any loyalty program or repair discounts?
Yes, returning customers get 15% off on labor charges.
Can I recycle old phones or batteries here?
Absolutely. We have a certified recycling program in place.
Thanks for your help. I'll wait for your update.
You're welcome. We'll be in touch once the repair is complete. Thank you. See you in the next video.